Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's start today's recipe. Pound cake with chocolate frosting. This is today's recipe. We will first cut butter paper according to the shape of the tin and we will layer the tin with the butter paper. Take correct measurement and cut the square and the strips. Apply oil to the tin, grease it properly, and then place the butter paper inside. Make sure that there are no gaps left wherein the batter can enter the tin and get stuck there. On the sides, we will put the strips of butter paper. Now the tin is ready. Keep this aside. For chocolate pound cake, we will need maida 160 grams and 40 grams cocoa. Measure it correctly. For a pound cake, all the ingredients are equal measurement. So this is 200 grams. Now add 2 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon is for 100 grams of flour. So we will need 2 teaspoon. Now sieve this twice. We need to sieve this to trap the air and to mix the cocoa and the baking powder both. We will do it second time again. Yeah. Now preheat the oven at 220 degrees centigrade. Now we will make the batter. Take caster sugar or brown sugar 200 grams and 4 eggs. Beat this with vanilla essence 2 teaspoon. We need to beat the eggs and the sugar until fluffy. I have also tried earlier with butter and sugar first, but this works out better. That is my experience. So beat it till fluffy. You can see now this is fluffy, this is white. This has lot of air incorporated. That is why the cake will rise and become fluffy. Now add butter 200 grams. This is the salted butter I have used. You can use unsalted also. Add the butter and beat again. Don't beat too much. Add 2 tablespoon flour so that the butter doesn't split. We will use it from the same sieved flour. We will not use more additional flour. Now beat again and add the remaining flour and beat it again. Ensure that all the dry flour goes in. You can use a spatula or a spoon to put it in. Now this is ready. Now we will add 2 tablespoon vegetable oil. The vegetable oil ensures that the cake doesn't dry up too much. Now beat again. Transfer cake mix to the tin which we have made ready. Use silicone spatula to remove the batter. Now make a well in the center. Put all the batter on the sides of the tin. This will ensure uniform baking. Now bake this for 35 minutes approximately. We will close it and then switch it on again. Now after 20 minutes you can see that it has cake is almost baked. So rotate the tin to ensure uniform heat in the oven. After 30 minutes check with a toothpick in 2-3 places. If it is dry, it is done. If it is slightly wet, keep it another 5 minutes. Now the cake is ready. Upturn it on a plate. Wait till it cools off. Now peel the paper carefully and the sides also. Now let it cool. This tastes good as it is. Still we will make some frosting. Now this is chocolate compound, double boiled. Pour it on the cake. My son wanted this, that is why I am making plain chocolate. Now spread evenly. For the fresh cream, I have used whipping cream. Take little bit at room temperature and freeze the remaining pack again. Keep beating on low speed first for few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, and then increase the speed. You can see the ripples forming. Now after there are soft peaks, remove it and put it in a piping bag. This is a star nozzle that I have used, and this is a disposable piping bag. See that the part of the nozzle which is the at the end should come out of the bag. And now in this bag we will put the fresh cream which we have whipped cream that we have whipped now, and put it in the fridge for some time so that it becomes little thick. Keep it in the fridge, and once it is cold we can make flowers or stars on the cake, and use some toppers like sprinklers and cherries for it to look attractive and tasty. Kids love all this. Pound cake tastes good even without the frosting. Try it that way once. Thank you for watching my recipe. If you like, please subscribe, like and share my recipe with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.